Okay, a dispensary is a room where medicine are provided. So because of this is like specifically for like a weed dispensary. That basically says our herbs is our medicine. This one I can't do it alone.
Tico.
Remember back in the days in Ghana, you didn't want to smoke no indoor.
Angithukanga futhi ngokurola. I prefer pre-rolls now. But I've been rolling. I've been rolling isarola ngephepha lase toilet. I had Snoop Dogg rolling a Bible. Sign push on my woo.
Akuba independent.
You can choose both.
Hayi sengishuze yohani. Yangiphuzisa noma ngishuza both.
Fumi dropped an amazing song, bro. Like I love the song. It's amazing. I love how he did it. I love the story behind it. I love what he did. Everything. Like I love everything. Apart from Mark's things, which I expressed.
Yeah. A question. What tickles your fancy? I find the blood does me wonders. Should I feel anti? I digress. I'm kufe intensely. Maskulume. Fuck the camaraderie. See him be into
Sanbonani, and welcome to our very first episode of A Hit Blunt. I go by the name DJ OB Gwala. I'll be the host with the most hits, of course. You know what it is, man. Welcome to it, man. I'm gonna be going around different dispensaries as a weed. Just learning more about weed, talking about hip-hop, current affairs, what's trending. I'm going to be having guests on the show who are going to help me as a synchronic to this industry of weed and hip-hop, man. You know I love hip-hop so much, man. I had to do something for this. So this is our very first show. It's a Val. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Shama Saina, why we here? We here, man. And of course, c'est Navy Green for our very first show.
Beep, 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 beep.
Phakathi eValley, bro. Phakathi eValley, phakathi inside. I have a very, 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 very close friend of mine, man. That's another thing. I've been looking through the show, the podcast itself. And I'm a guest that I'm going to be having, people that are going to be coming through. It's people that I really, really, really know. Like, they're my friends, they're my people. And I'm so happy with Wonka, my celebrity. I have a Wonka, my celebrity. So, in a corner is one of the dopest rappers.
Wow.
He's been rapping for years, bro. He's been rapping for years. But, we decided to tata what's the right word? Decided to tata a
Different route.
Different route.
Yeah.
Do you still rap before we even get to it? Do you still rap?
I rap crazy, my dog.
Yeah.
I can never stop rapping. I can never stop rapping.
We can expect something.
Yeah,
soon.
this year is like 2026. Now the dispensary is up and running.
Yeah.
Now we as a team we're gonna be going back to music and still running in the dispensary. I mean, like, that is sikhule simamela music, and these people abe music bidala basitshela ukuthi we need to invest, we need to do what abo Jay-Z bazikhuluma izinto ezinjalo, and we take them for granted. We're not thinking as artists ukuthi let me do something on the side. That is part of investment, that is part of being an entrepreneur. That is going to grow me apart from music. It's something engayenza on the side. Because of me, I always said, I'm not doing music because of I want to eat from it. I do music because of I love it. That's why I won't stop, you know. That's why I won't stop doing music. But I still do music, and we doing business, and there's more and more and more coming.
There's more coming.
Exactly.
All right. I want to just get to it dispensary itself. What is weed dispensary, my king? What is it?
Okay, a dispensary is a room where medicine are provided. So because of this is like specifically for like a weed dispensary. That basically says our herbs is our medicine.
Okay.
You know? So that's what it is. Basically, it's a place where you're gonna get your medicine, your herbal medicine. It could be in like your edibles. It could be in like herbs, flowers themselves. Yeah, it could be different things. It could be dub. So yeah, you're just gonna get everything that is straight hemp, everything that is straight cannabis. Yeah.
Another thing for me, what does it take for someone who's a cast right now who's thinking, I'm going weed, hip hop, and I love this culture thing, and I want to start a dispensary. What's needed for one to have a dispensary?
Interest. Honestly,
Yeah,
one needs to have interest for anything that you wanna do in life. You gotta have interest to do it. It's not because of anything is doable. Just because of anything is doable, you won't be interested in doing anything. Whatever that you do is something that you have interest in.
Yeah.
And the minute that you're gonna think about it, you wanna research and find out more as you go. Yeah, bo? But other people, they just wanna come to you and say, bruh, what does it take for us to partner up? I'll put in money, then we make money together. And you think it's just that simple. I'm like, why don't you just research yourself and do it? Bangela straight to go to dog, you research and there's just too much to go through. I'm like, so you are basically lazy. So if you are lazy and you are interested in something, how far do you think you're gonna go? You know, so it does. From where I come from, see, it's Badala, I can say that now because we came a long way. My first project in music alone was 2008. So we've seen these things, and as much as you wanna grow more than just being an artist, there's other things that you gotta pursue, and there's other things that you gotta stop at some point to pursue other things. I put music on pause. That's why you even asked me if I still rap. You know what? I put music on pause. Then after I put music on pause, what happened? The dispensary came. After the dispensary came, what happened? Now we are here. I'm going back to music. So there is a whole lot of things that are actually happening.
Shout out, man.
Yeah,
Shout out. Shout out to you, man. Shout out. Hi,
Good, and how are you?
Start to get like customer guys.
Yeah.
We are so life is not even funny, bro.
joints,
I
yes, you do
love these vibes. I love those vibes. It's our very first episode, bro. We're calling it Hit Blunt. We're gonna be doing so many crazy things, bro. I'm excited
precious.
about this.
You mind
But
coming
again, more
this
than
side a
anything
little
else,
bit?
as we move
Thank you.
swiftly right along in our core,
Yeah.
I know we have so many different strains. The weed, my nigga. I know we have so many different strains. I don't want
True
us to
that.
go through all of them. I want us to focus on what you have in the building today, Navy
Mm-hmm.
Green. I want us to also let us know what's the difference between Indic, Sativa, and the hybrid. Yo, I want to
Okay.
know all of that.
The hybrid, number one, it's a mixture of both indica and sativa. That's the hybrid. It's a mixture of both.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
when you cross them.
And I've been smoking. As khona izinto ngeweed. What?
Wena uthandela insango nje mngani
I
wami,
know,
wena.
no.
Wena
I'm
uthandela
into good
insango
shit,
nje, there's
bro. I'm
nothing
into good
more.
shit. Like, I'm into good shit.
Exactly, I
smoke
know
good
from way
shit.
back. That's
I
why at the
smoke
other
good
time you're
shit.
complaining to say, mnganam,
Yeah.
that time, yeah, it was not the one, but
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
yeah.
Now
Yeah,
we're good now. Now we're good. Now
Yeah,
we're good.
so that's
I'm
what
happy we
hybrid
have with
is.
Even West. I'm happy we now have the right strains and I okay riding lamps. I'm so
True.
happy, bro. I'm so happy.
Yeah, I appreciate dog.
Yeah.
It's from day one, from the jump.
day, you
Yeah,
know.
exactly. So sativa is something that you can smoke like during the day if you want energy, appetite, creativity. You just wanna be like not chilled.
Right.
Then with indica, that's when you go like noglala. If you have like insomnia, pains, you wanna feel relaxed. You just go for that one. Yeah,
Okay.
but for hybrid, as much as I said, it's a mixture of both. So the effects is dependent on whatever that was mixed. Whatever that was crossed ukuthi kube ile string so at that time.
Oh, a hybrid, high grade. Is it a hybrid high grade or a high grade is something else?
I think high grade is depending
Like
on
indoor food, I think
yes,
that
you know.
also, yeah.
I think ezinye izinto kuya ngokuthi istrain sikhuliswe kanjani because of
yeah.
you can have ezinye you can find ama-sativa ayi-2 mara bewangafani. Yabo, like example we have Imav1, it's a sativa, and we also have a Jungle Diamond, it's a sativa. But both of them mawuzibhekela azifani. Yabo?
Yeah, I also want us to maybe get to some of your stuff. Maybe show it to the jar. I'll try to get any angle on some of the stuff that you have here. Maybe top 3, top 4 of a strain which are selling, which you also tembile which this you need to get when you come through.
This one I can't do it alone. I'm gonna need Navy up in this too.
Yeah, especially see
Yeah.
Sizoyenza like this and
Yeah.
then maybe go through it.
Exactly. Yeah, but like I was saying, this is Mav1 is one of our top.
Alright.
Yeah, but it's not number 1. Let me say it's like number 3 on the list. I'd
Okay.
say.
All right.
You know,
Coming
it's
in on
Mav1.
number 3.
Number 3. It's
Okay.
like Mav1. Yeah, we Gucci.
Oh, smells good, bruh. Whoa.
It's
Okay,
crazy.
So this is Mav.
Yes, that's
Right.
marvelous one.
Who comes up?
I don't know, my lord. Man, the only thing.
Chronic,
the-
namo, niwatata,
Dog,
nabaka.
about Deben poison. Just imagine me poison.
All right, Mav coming through at number 3.
Number 2. What is number 2? Apex.
Apex.
There's
let's see,
Apex.
where's Oh, this is Apex.
Yeah.
All right. Apex coming through at number 2.
Yeah.
Hybrid Tico. And this is how much?
That one a gram, you get it for $80 here.
$80 a gram.
Yeah.
Nice. All right,
Then
coming
our
through at
number
number
one.
1. I had number 1 the last time I was here. I'll tell you this. And then Unevi decided to say to me, "Don't smoke it now. Smoke it when you get home."
Not now.
Yeah, not now. I was
And
like,
when you smoked it then?
don't smoke it while driving. I was like, hey, when I I got home, bruh. I think I took 2 hours to get home, and then I just leave lapping out.
You
And I
lie.
take 30
So
minutes
basically,
going
you
home.
had the joint as much as Batonga helped me
Yeah,
before
and I
that.
got home
When you're
2
like,
hours
nah, you know what?
I got home 2 hours
F
later.
that.
So I know this one.
Gucci, yeah.
I
Jungle
know this-
Diamond.
Jungle Diamond. I know
Yeah,
this one. Oh
you-
God, you need to come
Bruh.
get this.
Ooh, even the look.
This is so nice, guys. It tastes. I am Lomeni. Yeah.
Yeah,
You can
so-
even taste it. Like taste it.
exactly,
So nice,
yeah.
bro. This is very so
It's
nice.
not only about the look, the taste as well. The way it feels, my way bema. It feels so nice.
Crazy.
One other thing, let's understand that to bema at some point, smoke is never good. Let's not do too much of it. That's why you gotta smoke good shit.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta smoke good shit.
Yeah.
If uzobhema insaka ngekho right mngana uzobopha kayingaki.
Ish.
You know.
No, wait. Ngikukhulumela on this because I smoke a lot. I normally
No.
do joint after joint. Like I don't know into engenze from ekasi so way to school level joint after joint.
Yeah.
So for me, it's not even about how potent it is, how strong it is.
It's
Even
just
how
that you
strong
want
it is,
smoke.
I'm still gonna smoke it. Yeah. Like there's no levels of.
And remember back in the days mngana you didn't want to smoke no indoor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Back in the day.
I was like my dog
Yeah.
let's smoke. You're like
Yeah.
when
especially
uqalile ngale
indoor
nto
now.
zakho.
Yeah, indoor. I
But
issue
khona
with-
manje my lord.
Yeah.
Like you know what?
No, I had issues with indoor because it gets you there. Yabo. And
Yeah.
bengabe ngiyasebenza. I don't want to be there. I want to work. I don't want to be on cloud 9. I want to work.
wanna
So most of
work,
the
yeah.
time we would meet up. I have a set and then ngakadla nokudlala. So
Abosha
I
indoor.
want to do indoor after, not before.
Indoda.
Yeah.
Yazi ndoda mele uzibeke right.
Yeah, I made this big.
Yeah, afuna ukushaya izinyo uyolala stage.
All right, no, thank you so much, Inako, for having us today, man. Thank you so much. I'm so happy with I'm here. Any last words you want to say to the people? How do we get a hold of you? How do we get the weed? What's happening?
Check us up on Facebook. We have a page over there. It's called Navy Green Health.
Yep.
Yeah, if you just get there and you inbox, we get back at you immediately. Yeah, well, then we can just talk everything. But nonetheless, Konala Negasi, this is on 12, Pamgwaga Armstrong, there's this building, Tellos, but then we have a signage outside. It's like a 3-story building. We have a signage outside. That's where the store is, Navy Green. Apart from that, there is a number 0605815517. That's a store number. You can, WhatsApp us over there.
Get it on the screen. It will be like screen somewhere. Yeah.
It will be like
Put it
here.
on the screen
Yeah.
for you. Yeah.
WhatsApp us over there. Give us a call. Then, we can
Alright.
talk the rest in peace over there.
All right, now, man, thank you so much, man. And if you just walked in, man, this is Hit Blunt, our very first episode. I'm so excited. Our guest is coming up, is already in the building. He goes by the name Father Tech.
Father
Coming
Tech, Father
back,
Tech.
man. We're coming back. Thank you, Nicole.
1 gram at a time.
Thank you so much.
Bless it, my dog.
Yeah.
Easy.
A question.
All right,
What's your
please
fancy?
like
I
and
find it
subscribe our channel, bruh. Please like and subscribe, share it, let people know that we have a new show that's out. It's called Hit Blunt. We're gonna be going around the dispensary, as I said earlier on, just learning more about weed, talking about hip hop, talking about what's trending, and of course, I'm gonna be having my guest, And I said earlier on, he said Valley today, and I cannot figure Valley. Bese ngakhuluma nama goats aseValley, right? He goes by the name Daluxolo, all right? His name is Daluxolo, aka Tech Problem, aka Father Tech, aka Valtech, aka Bazonke, aka
Gian Pablo.
Young Pablo. Come on, boo, boo, boo.
Let's go.
I need a boo boo boo, guys. Somebody needs to get boo boo.
Shahon lap. See it, Shahon.
Yo, man, what up, Tech? It's been a while. It's been a while. What up?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, my king, first of all.
No, it's
Happy
not
New
been
Year.
a while. It's like December lapha egarage.
Why expose that man? I'm trying to get to. We were here last week. Come on now.
But at least mina ngibeke ku December.
Anyway, man, how are you? How are you, my kid?
Shabuja Dufuit.
Yeah.
Great. Ita Obi.
Yeah.
no,
You one of the codes, obviously, as I said. And I'm honored to have you on the show. I think interview I've never interviewed you, and maybe it was going to be conflict of interest because at the time we were working together. I don't remember interviewing you before. Ngesikhathi one stage, food even worse.
I think
I've never.
At theater, we went at theater a few times.
Yeah, I took you to Tata. I don't interview you. I don't remember giving you a proper interview.
Oh yeah.
At Tata, I was managing. I was part of the man. I used to manage you.
Almost.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, in fact, I used to manage you. All right, Tech is in the building, man. We're going to be going through a lot with Tech. He's going to be telling us about what he's working on, what he's been working on. We're going to go through a lot. But before all of that, our first segment, Tech that we're going to be having, it's called Roll Up, right? This is where we get our guests to roll up. Sibona ma skill wabo work fast. Do you prefer rolled weed or pre-rolls?
I mean, usually mangenza things ngithenga ama ready made.
I'm a ready-made, yeah, my pre-rolls. Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't do these things.
So fast.
I don't do these. I don't do.
You don't do izinto zokufasa fast.
Not only look fast, but you know.
Yeah.
I'm not a.
I'm
not a drug user.
I'm not a drug. Okay, turn it away, man.
Papa,
yeah, you here for hip hop more than anything else. Yeah.
Plus, he didn't find hip hop. I
hear you. Right, as I was saying, man, our first segment of the show, we calling it Roll Up, right? I'm going to put my guest on a test. Spawn with my rolly weed. I'm also going to be rolling. And of course, Inako is still here. He's going to be giving us one of his best potent here today. That's what we're going to be hitting blunt on today, right? So it's a navy green, in case you're wondering. Come through, man. Get yourself nice shandies, right? Here we go. I think the camera is over Bambuko. Yeah. Marvel. All right, here we go. This is going to be interesting. This is definitely going to be interesting. I mean, I'm roller. I prefer pre-rolls now, but I've been rolling. I've been rolling pepper last toilet. Le phone book.
Show the baby, you are rolling.
Rolling a Bible. I had Snoopy rolling a Bible. Rolling a little toilet. So
yeah, phone book. Yeah.
Phone book.
Yes.
And then you go to Yellow Pages sometimes. So I mean, I roll out my face. Let's expose a man into a name wrong.
Yo, man, that's how you roll.
I know wonder. So with you, Tech, man, when did you start partaking on with the? I know you don't partake on it, but when you do partake, when did you start?
It all started with hip hop.
With hip hop, yeah.
When right about the same time, I first went into the booth when I was doing matric, because that was the first time I went into the booth.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously, I'm actually the studio too.
I
And funny enough, I grew up in a, weed dispensary, which was illegal back then. Yeah, though I grew up on weed money, man. My parents were trying, super hard. At least something so I grew up on weed money. But I wasn't smoking weed ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
I was still a kid, and then, yeah, man, when I decided to test this thing out, I would time saying rap, I guess, peer pressure.
But the first time you were in studio?
Yeah, the first time I was in studio.
Does it help? Like, I always wondered, is it true it helps with your writing or anything else? Does it help? Has it ever helped you at one point?
For me, it will depend. Okay, if I'm in a relaxed state, relax, especially if we are in studio. And like, there's no pressure, man. It's like niggas that I'm used to. thola nyakhona ukurelaxa, not overthink lines, yabo, come up with simple lines. But if I'm anxious, I'm like, hey, hlezi nenye go to studio and manje I have to yabo khanda lizoma. Yabo.
Yeah.
Khanda lizoma mfethu. So yeah, it is that.
And then
you know kungisiza ngirelax
Yeah.
ila kwenza anxiety vele shoot through the roof.
And what's your craziest story? Esake velela ubhemi luhigh. Craziest thing.
Ubhemile ngihigh.
Yeah. I have so many stories about where I get to smoke now, and then umuntu like I was saying earlier on, I drove 2 hours back home. I feel like there's some crazy stuff. And what this at this one point, we sit back to the city. This one time, I smoked, God, and we were just about to get on stage. Into ngayihlanza lapha yana, angazi bokwenzakalani. I don't know what was going on. That was the worst day of my life. And I blame Yankee for that. Shout out to Yankee. Shout out to Yankee.
Hey,
He gave me something very strong that day. I couldn't handle it, bro. That was the worst thing ever. But again, I want to find out the lighter ones. Maybe if you even have the lighter ones.
Wait, Tingbo. Okay, mina usually obvious. Yeah. Ikwenza ulambe lempahla le.
Yeah.
Get what I'm saying? Yeah, so I think the craziest things have been amakombo when it comes to amamanchis.
Amamanchis.
Yeah. I've had ipapa nge sweet chili sauce.
Yo.
Yeah.
Ipapa and sweet chili
Yeah,
sauce.
papa nge sweet chili sauce bekuyisishebo sami. You know? Yeah.
What? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Hey, bro, I didn't make pet.
Any stories of your friends maybe partaking in it, and then those bonus ninja and think lazy.
I didn't want to get there. Kodi stories ka Anzo. Anyway, who? What this Anzo my space cook.
I think it's the
What followed after? Umnikazi wasuzosixoxa mangathola ichance yokuhlala la uzosixoxa but yeah my homie laughed for like 24 hours inja yami silwane ehleka nje into engapheli.
Yeah,
that's
that's
like
crazy.
Angifuni ukufika lapho mina.
Yeah. But why do you think weed has this bad stigma around ekasi kubantu abadala? It's this bad thing. Drugs, don't smoke. What's your take on that?
I am very to sikhule thina esigela. I think iphume esigela la then. Because thina sakhule esigela kuthiwa insango
It's bad.
getaway drug but in gateway not getaway. Hey. It's a gateway drug to harder ones.
Oh yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So kusho ukuthi bathi plug yenza ngoma isengakushayi you're gonna go to
something else
ezinye
strong.
izinto ezisstrong yabo maybe is a gateway drug. So I think sakhula ngaleyo mpahla it was kusho ukuthi ke abantu abebeshaya isyllabus yiba bathi ifakeni lento le ukuthi yenza ngo is 1 2 3 4 5. You get what I'm saying? And I think izinto usually things have a good side and a bad side, you know.
True.
Depending on what you want to achieve, you'll promote the side that benefits you most. You know what I'm saying? We can say we were being protected, or maybe we can say we were being sifihlelwa some things, you know.
Yeah.
Bengangimelanga sizazi. You know, abantu banama all these stories about weeds, all these
and
what
it's
you call
bad,
this
bro. Like it's all
theories or
backstory.
scenarios yabo abantu uzokutshela ukuthi yak-unlocka ingqondo hey system third eye ntontoni. I'm like yabona suke sobhebe kakhulu basokhuluma ezinjalo.
Guys, isebenza ngendlela different on different
Right, so
people.
yeah, so it's all
Khona abanye abantu abasebenzela exactly like that.
yeah,
Yeah,
you know.
nakhona lento iqala ekhanda like once you start telling yourself izinto ezinjengalezi, you end up believing, you get high on that thing, and then you believe that it does that thing, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, ama-benefits ngiyacava yabo.
Yeah.
Bomaflu ntontoni yabo. Yeah, all those benefits. Ngiyazazi zonke lezo zinto. I also know it will make you hungry. I also know ukuthi uzohleka wedwa.
Yeah.
Nazo lezo zinto exist. We shouldn't act like, you know. I think if maybe there was another thing ukuthi mhlambi abakhona ukuyi-regulator.
True.
Because if amaphilisi I can tell you ukuthi take 2 a day. at all.
With weed you can.
With weed you can't. So maybe I'm a risk.
Yeah.
What I'm saying,
Yeah.
maybe 2 puffs is enough. Take the 3rd puff, you lose your mind. You know what I'm saying? You can only find out once you get into the habit of trying it out.
No, yeah, you man. You. As I said earlier on, you part of Amagoats as a Val. You cannot talk Val hip hop and not mention Ufata Tech. You've been rapping for a while, my king, like for a while. I remember in the days the salsa. You guys knew one stitch. Oh God. Even street beats, it was crazy. How was that for you guys? The ambience, the vibes of this as one stitch.
Hey, the vibe was.
You guys were running things at that time. I remember it was Ebon Army, you guys,
Yeah.
Deep Rooted.
I think that time the vibe was Uktandi hip hop.
Tandy hip hop.
That was
pure hip hop,
like
bro.
Uktandi hip hop.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
there was nothing else. Being a kwenye mtu kichime kanda. Makuthiwa kune session we there, asina transport, asinani we there. Sometimes isihlala iziphele and then we have to walk from Sebokeng to Unitas Park. Unitas Park is just outside Vereeniging. So you can imagine the distance.
Yo.
You know, but it was all worth it.
Yeah.
Mangifikile nje salsa ngarap abantu bangizwa. And I get my props.
Shout
you
out to
know.
White Dog for hosting us on those salsa movement.
Yeah.
Who else was hosting us out?
Mangifike sharp, pardon?
Who else was hosting? Was White Dog? White Dog, I mean. It was White Dog's place.
Was it a White Dog?
Yeah.
I mean, I just went there. Bangazwa,
Yeah.
Yeah. But I remember we also like hosted a few events as one stage.
As one stage.
You know, Spectra did his thing now. Yeah. He gave us big events. Invite
Shout out to
Rizin,
Spectre.
I think Questa once, ne?
Yeah,
Was it
did-
Rizin
did
or
it
Quest
come?
or both?
No Reason came, I remember.
Yeah, Reason came
I'm
through.
definitely sure. I met anti-bullshit that one of those days.
Yeah,
That's when
that's
we
all,
met.
yeah.
Hook up. No anti-bullshit. One Stitch was the shit. Shout out to Mo. Shout out to Cats. Shout out to the whole team.
Yeah, it was, bro.
Yeah.
It was. And hey, this is Shaila Jinto yethu.
Many Shaila
It was
yeah.
all for the love.
Yeah.
There were no benefits nje intended. You know, we were just loving this
Loving
thing.
hip hop.
That's all, yeah.
Yeah. And your move from one stage to O Production. How was that? How was O Production, man? I normally don't ask people about O Production because I'm O Production, and there's so many
Yeah.
things that people don't know about O Production. But for you moving from a powerhouse like one stage to O Production, Zulu yangenelele intweni, there's Anzo on the back, there's Abo Scar, there's Abo Remedy. Now you're joining in O Production. How was that?
I remember it was a bittersweet moment. Yeah, it was a bittersweet moment because at that time it felt like like you go when you pack your bags and
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
hey, sharp.
Sharp True.
Sekhona amadlelo aluhlaza
True,
ngapha, yabo.
true,
So it was
true.
met with
True.
mixed feelings.
Yeah.
That's all I remember. Guys were going at me.
Yeah.
Ujikela mawuthi,
Yeah, I remember
yabo.
this, bruh. I
Yeah,
remember this.
yakhumbula, yeah. But eventually amajita bagcina sebe understand ukuthi it's not even that deep.
Yeah.
You know, it's not even that deep. It's just moving to a platform whereby opportunities abayanyana, yabo.
And we were more based outside the Val production. Also, the things that we used to do was to Johannesburg and all that.
And at the end of the day, it was for the benefit of the Val Triangle. Because I believe we would see all of that exposure, me being exposed to the outside world. The outside world, bank receiver, and we're like, oh shit, you're from the Val.
Yeah.
Oh, there's this in the Val. And they started,
Yeah.
you know, because back in Angabo Golden Shovel and stuff,
Yeah.
you know, so they started being curious again.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay, if the Val can give us a tech problem, what else does it have?
God, bruh.
Know what I'm saying?
Those days were crazy,
were.
crazy, more than anything else. We did a lot of first tours, everything, as O Production. That was crazy. And you also moved from there to also start your own business, 6 a.m., moving from O Production. I mean, I want to get my layers right, but that's why I'm starting it from one stage. And I'm trying to figure out where you're at now in life and what you're doing and everything else. 6 a.m.
6 a.m. Success Entertainment. It's me and my brother, my day one, Brian Trump. First met that nigga in 99. Singakangeni isigela so itu.
Yeah.
You know, we've been friends forever. along the way life ke yazi yasihlukanisa omunye wayale and yeah, he started having business ideas from farming to entertainment, all of these things. By the time I decided to venture into entertainment, I was the closest person consultant ukuthi angayenza njani le nto. We got to a decision whereby we were like, okay, let's run this thing and see ukuthi sibeka phi. Because uthi umuntu njengoba ngisho ukuthi business minded, I think he wanted to see ukuthi these methods our apply in other businesses that are reaping fruits. If you can apply those same methods with entertainment, from events to artist management and I was there and happy to be his hand and sibonisa ama ropes when it comes to the entertainment side. And I've been in charge of the entertainment side since ngaleso sikhathi to this day. We had to pull back ezinye izinto ama-events samisa kancane because the business of farming was demanding a whole lot from him. He had to focus on that, and then me now, entertainment wise, I've had to be my own manager, assemble team nyana here and there.
No, crazy, man. As I say now, I want us to get a very great background as to who's tech. We're gonna get more to 6 a.m. We're gonna get to stage. We're gonna get to O production. We're gonna get to a lot of things. All right, that's all coming up later. Right now, though, we're still doing roll up. So this is what I came up with. This is what I came up with. What are you? Yeah, I wrote this.
You roll better than this. I know you roll better than this.
Yeah, but I was working with the small Lenyana piece. No, when you were roller straight, I think yours looks more doper than Yami.
Is it?
Come on, this is doper.
Kotelele ke faki keriki da.
For umuntu angapemi. For umuntu angapemi.
Izami lakufanya.
No, out of 10 inako umkaya ngaki? 9 out of 10.
Thank you.
All right, and I get.
Le yakho.
6 out of this. All right, man. We're gonna be puffing on this as we move to another segment of the show. All right. Please, guys, again, man. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends, man. We are hitting plants. We're talking about the culture. We're talking about weed. We're talking about hip hop as a whole. Subscribe, share. Our next segment that we're going through is called Puff or Pass. All right. So how it works is this. All right. Puff or pass. How it works is this. I ask you multiple questions. If you pass, you take a shot. All right. Shout out to Tony Hulo. We have Tony Hulo in the building. Shout out to his score. Shout out to his score for our shots. We're gonna be doing our shots. So you can choose maybe shot like we dash and score and then we shot straight for Tinja. We're gonna let loose. I'm gonna let you free. You're definitely gonna be free, Lana, all right? So if you choose to pass, you take a shot, all right?
If I decide not to answer the question, I take a shot.
Take a shot.
Otherwise, I answer the question.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if you choose
How
both,
many questions?
It's multiple questions. It's 2
How
questions.
many?
It's a A or B. You choose A or you choose B. If you choose both, you take a shot. If you do not choose, you take a shot. You need to choose.
Well, okay.
All right.
I see
All right. As we light a joint, let's hit one, bro. Let's hit one. All right. Going straight to it. What thing is in the simplest way, with whatever that's happening right now, go hip hop. What happened last year was amazing. I mean, the Kendrick Lamar beef with Drake, it just put it as it kind of showed with hip hop is still around. Amapiano are taking over and so many subgenres are coming through. But with what happened there, as much as abantu bazoyibheka ngendlela abafuna ukuyibheka ngayo, 14 hip hop was a huge win,
Yeah, it was.
So I want to build up from that. And J. Cole is back now. He's got a new song that's out. He dropped a new song. He dropped the date for the album. He's dropping the new album. I hope we air before he drops. Yeah, I think maybe, somewhere up. But he has a new album that's dropping. I'll start it as freshly as that. You know, these two people have their own impact. Do you go with Kendrick or is it Drake? Is it Cole? Are you going with Kendrick?
Kendrick or Cole?
Yeah.
In terms of?
Multiple questions, you know? This is a multiple question. You Cole.
Oh, so you want to ask me questions?
On why you're choosing Cole. You can go with Kendrick Lamar and tell us why you're choosing Kendrick Lamar.
I'll go with Cole. Kendrick.
You can even go with both, my king, and take a shot. Yeah.
Okay, let me go with both.
We're not gonna mess with you
because it's different reasons. So let me
please let's
go with both. Let me go with both.
Let's start it there.
Yeah.
Let's start it corner up on J. Let's bring it on you. Let's shout it on you.
Oh, he definitely went.
Yeah, you. Come on. All right, Cole or Kendrick? Yeah. It's very hard for to choose on such people because
in the context so they are both my favorites.
Yeah, that's why I want to open
different reasons.
The context. We think I'll be limited to anything that I believe in or whatever. It should be about you to be comfortable about your answer. My shorts for no reason.
So
yeah. Futhi ngabe sithele yonke nje lana ngoba lama shorts asazoba maningi.
I can just okay, it's fine.
Yeah. See, with the shots.
The refilling.
Yeah. Sorry, let's go. Is it Kendrick, Cole?
It's both.
Both. All right. And why both? Come on, give me.
Because they're both amazing, man. They are game changers in their own respect. They're both game changers. Kendrick, he is more of a activist type vibe, you know. Cool vibe. Who's cool vibe? You'll be activist and ton. And only recently he started going like inwards into like, okay, I've been an activist and maybe it might have made you see me as a god. So let me clear things up. I'm not that. I'm just a normal person. I have feelings, you know. And that has been his vibe lately. And then when it comes to Cole, Cole has been like a good nigga. Good nigga, growing up in the hood.
Says are we okay with what he did last
time? I mean, I am forgiving.
Yeah.
I'm forgiving. I feel like people that are being hard on him, as ngesinye isikhathi uyi-reflection yale nto i-criticize-ayo isikhathi esiphaya.
True.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's people who wouldn't have done any better if they were in those shoes. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, but I respect their opinion and view and whatever. You know what I'm saying? But I forgave him. Mostly because of his pen game, man.
Yeah,
you know, he's amazing.
God. When Jay had that thing, which I feel like my friends up are very.
It was a wise move.
They never got happy about it.
It was a wise move for him.
You think?
Yeah, it was a wise move.
But the culture now has a fall off. Now it's a nice move because he's got the album late dropping and it's called Fall Off. So it's as if it's working on his favor all this thing, and he's been planning this for 10 years.
It could work in his favor. Yeah. Be story nje ukuthi yabo.
Yeah.
Xoxele naleyo part. If kuzofika leyo part whereby he
Yeah. No, I'm taking the shot for your first question. Yeah, we're taking it. How you said you choose both. When you choose both, you take a shot.
So akuna wrong or right la ngiyaphuza either way.
It's either you choose one thing and then you're not gonna phuza.
Oh, okay.
All right, moving right along. Crazy. Yes, the next question I'm gonna go multiple questions. Say Africa, lena manje izokufakela peer pressure on it now all of a sudden. Okay. Crazy. Speaker or raw beats?
Raw. How? Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Why do you even
yeah, when I just said now with the pressure saying
no, it's not even the pressure.
You answering on pressure.
No, it's the pressure, Leo. I'm being openly biased.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, I won't even explain why. He's my nigga.
Yeah.
He's my nigga.
And Speaker did a lot for you.
He did.
I mean, the Sotra ciphers for me, bruh. I don't know if it's me. who looks at them the way that I look at them. I think they're just this huge platform for a bomb rapper who are coming up, and he gave you that call, and I would think that, and we did a couple of things with speakers.
There's a lot. Actually, speaker took me to KZN, not physically, not physically, but ukungibiza kwakhe to that Sotra Cyphers versus KZN Lockdown Cyphers. It exposed me to KZN, and from there on, the things I did at KZN and with KZN people. After that, it was any passenger, the biggest through pass. I told life in terms of we hip hop, you know. But let us not take away Uro as the foundation. You know what I'm saying? Uro has been my producer, my engineer, and all of this. And for people like Speaker and them to know which I exist, these people had to give me a platform to rap. Get what I'm saying? So it's injalo.
I like the answer your platform and loyalty and stuff. Do I also count next time maybe ambitious and O production? So
bro, you do. Yo. You know the stories, man. You know the stories. We went through a lot. Bro, ayikho engenzekanga, ayikho into esingayenzanga man. You know, ayikho nje into esingayenzanga. I learned a lot O production. OP fam, like you gave me a family. Those niggas are still my niggas to this day. You're still my nigga to this day. So even if that part ebesifuna isebenza kakhulu ingasebenzanga, bro, like I'm good. I'm happy with what I came out of there with. You know what I'm saying? True.
Crazy, bro, crazy. All right, next question. Sign or go by independent? Which one do you prefer?
Akuba independent.
You can choose both.
Hayi, sengishuze one. Yangiphuzisa noma ngishuza both.
Come on, I'm not even puffing. Come on, let's enjoy.
Last night asiqede yakho kuqala. Mina yami isashoda, angikafaki nekeri. Angikafaki ikeri. Kuningi nje ngingakwenzi, yabo.
Navy keri.
Asishayile yakho.
Yeah, let's share plan. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm independent.
Independent. Now, guys, what are we running away from now from Uksano? Is it the stories that we hear from people who have already made it, and then now we feel we don't want to sign because Usaini and he's made it now and he's doing so much and he's a millionaire now, and now he's saying sign up bad now. What is this? Are we not signing because of what?
I think, hey, ngayibeka njani? Kuyazalana yabo, because it's not like one versus the other or one against the other one. Kuyazalana, I believe ukuthi qala nge-independence ukunika leverage. You get what I'm saying? Because you do a whole lot of stuff for yourself, like layer freedom onayo while you're independent.
It's very easy to go by independent. Like,
it's not easy, obviously. It's not easy, but what I'm saying is I wanna, for me, mhlawumbe ukuthi angazi experience ezinye izinto. I-freedom yangaphakathi kwebooth. For me, nothing beats that. I-freedom yangaphakathi kwebooth. Yokuthi ngihlale laphayana and I'm thinking about a line and I just laugh and I'm like, ngizoyifaka le line. You get what I'm saying? I'm like, ngizoyifaka le line. Iyangihlekisa or whatever. Or it's too difficult. No, but nama directions and stuff, when it comes to being structures when you are signed, like more rigid structures I've heard of. Angasign also. But I've heard of like a limitation of freedom. Especially in the booth. Everywhere else I don't mind. But hey, in the booth matter. In the booth matter. If someone can guarantee me the in the booth freedom freedom young release makufuna
I've heard about complaining about that.
The market is like this, so we want to push your album back because of 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe Banama reasons they know better, they see the stats and whatever. They are directed by Lezo Zinto. Their decisions are, dictated by such, such matters. But hey, man, if ngifeel ukuthi ingoma imnandi ayiphuma ekusasa, I can wake up and do that.
All right. So this prompts me to my next question on the multiple questions. So do you prefer being in the studio recording or performing out there? Recording or performing?
Uzongiphuzisa ke both my dog.
Nazo ngifuna lana. Ngizama ukuthi le nto ibe difficult. And afuna ukuthi ibe difficult.
Angitrap.
Sure.
Asivele siwathele once le nto obuyisho.
I told you.
Ngigcwalisa next. Hey dog, I'm gcwalisa next. I'm driving, my dog. Yabona I put it on the record. Ukuthi I am driving. Banga
Wahlala eduzane boy.
ngeke.
Ungayenzi ngathi manje udrivela kude. Uyas-expose manje.
It's been responsible, bafethu.
All right. Irako is taking shots on recording or performing. So this one clearly, you love both.
No, I love.
Yeah. It come up before the other one. There's no.
Not really, mfethu, because it's different, yabo. It's different. Yabona when I'm in the studio, I'm performing for myself. Audience, yeah. Okay. Bakhona nabanye abantu angithi yo producer and stuff. But at that time, mangibhala and when I spit, it's like ngiyazigxatha, yabo. Audience, I'm the audience and I'm also the performer. Ngiyazigxatha da, and then when I'm on stage, it's the whole world. Watching the whole world. Beyizwa ngale ndlela bengiyizwa ngayo lempahla ukuthi okay, ngihlanyise ngakhona and then sengiphana ngayo, people go crazy the same way or even more. Even more.
Must be an amazing feeling. And in fact, not even it must be. I know for the feeling since I'm a DJ myself. I got messed up when it first happened back to the city. The first time we performed in a big zone. Yo, it was a moment, bro. Like I think I had a 1 minute switch off and taking it in, everybody going crazy out of Lama Pazos at the time. So it's an amazing feeling. No, I hear you. All right, lighter note. The short. Oh, okay. All right. Lighter note. Next is your Aries. They dropped Tumi dropped an amazing song, bro. Like I love the song. It's amazing. I love how he did it. I love the story behind it. I love what he did. Everything. Like I love everything. Apart from Mark's things, which I expressed. But for you, is it Aries or Nasty? And we're not judging over the song footage. Let's not even limit it to putting. We're going with both.
Next question, please. Next question. If we die, we die.
Come on. Give me something on the two artists. I wanna take your take on both of them.
Man, for me it's pretty simple. Ukuthi mina ngithanda umculo. What I'm saying. There was that time like dala maybe ngisaqala ukurap. I was very strict because people that were grooming me were, underground and anti-system. Don't do any rap, get Mortal Technique, all that old shit. You know what I'm saying? And I never gave myself a chance to lalela, all the other types of hip hop or rap.
Okay.
What I'm saying, because Mas Valela in that box. And I'm grateful for the day I broke out of that box. Like hip hop, lalela hip hop as a whole. And yavela bamnandi wes. Ngashintsha approach. Ukuthi ngingena in the booth maybe always angry or depressed about something, or feeling the need to address something. You get what I'm saying? Like Paul sometimes. And I think Uris no Nasty give me the whole world. That world I became able to explore. mangibalalelo boy-two omunye nomunye ngesikhathi sakhe, I get best of both worlds.
No, makes sense. No, I hear you. No, I think we answer in a very nice way. Like, I can't even fight you with this. I can't even say, No, all right, another light way. Let's do this one.
That was not light, by the way.
Come on, there's some light stuff. Come on, there's some light stuff. I don't wanna make you cry. So, but I know your personal shit. I don't wanna make you cry.
Nigga.
I'm fully excited to you, Miss Peme.
Sapuza.
Sapuza. All right, Ferguson or Logic?
Who?
Ferguson or Logic? Do you have history with either? Yes? No?
Where are these shots? Where are these shots? Let's go. Anyadlala my dog. No, I go no fair.
You go no fair?
I go no fair.
Yeah.
Firstly because we crashy. Or usazoba crash angikho kodwa khona yabo no the world knows
yeah. In terms of rap,
she's amazing.
Yeah.
No, she's amazing.
Yeah. So everything
I think I'm a babies on this. Okay, I don't know whether there's a name. Ikasi rap ne.
Yeah.
Inabo mamskebengu, mamskebengu, the females that and I think for the longest time I think for me now she's one of the few that crack that what you call this
le camera yam le nayiboni guys le Wesbiya umuvela ngapha esayidini. Usibiya just walked in. Or stay camera straight. Akasibhayi ke Sibiya. Akafuni nokwazi kenzakalani.
Yeah, so I was saying cracker leyo code. Cracker leyo code. She's become one of the few.
Yeah.
To do that. Also now Lodge is on the same path. I think
Sign push your mawu.
Wait, on which But yeah, the answer is Mawu.
It's on you, bro. Yeah.
The answer is Mawu.
All right.
On every front.
All right. Let me see. Last few more questions. And then we wrap this one up, right? I'm trying to think where to go with this. But okay, let's say back to the city or Cotton Fest. And Cotton Fest, I say now, which is crazy.
And at least I'm in dog because I never got a chance to sing Bela Payana. I was really, really looking forward to a Cotton Fest collab. This reminds me of, I think just before COVID, when Back to the City were announcing this is like the last 2 or 3 years, something like that. Last
show,
yeah.
Gave us a scare and because I was having the same thoughts. Yo, brother, which is crazy. Yo, I remember that.
But fortunately, we made it there.
Yeah.
But with Cotton Fest, But yeah, the answer is Back to the City.
Back to the City. Of course, you won E10K
exactly.
Back to the City. The one that you won? 2022.
Yeah.
Which is crazy. Like I was saying last, Rashid, you guys should just name a 20K challenge or production challenge, 10K.
Actual.
Yeah, well, some production. Come on, we've won that thing so many times.
Yeah. So wait, I don't know what you're cooking that side.
You, Ska, come on. If Rona wasn't caught up in his own shit, I'm sure Ngabetala why win. But again, you won that. How was that?
It was an amazing.
And after says you win was it a pressure foot you need to represent?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was a pressure because now it has been one
Yeah.
Enough times for you ukuthi ma uyiluza kuzothiwa you are the first. You don't want to be remembered as that. First production member to, you know.
To lose.
Yeah.
Eish. That time upe flag yonke yasevala.
I totally understand. So hey, I feel like there was more pressure on my side, not taking anything away from the other contestants.
Yeah.
Especially in the final. A whole lot of pressure. Oh, also, I think that's why I also chose Ufega.
Yeah,
because
the contestant now, yeah.
We were Sigma final, so too.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a whole lot of pressure, man, especially when it comes to this hip hop thing. It's cruelly hip hop, dog. You know, I'm just gonna put it out there. Had I lost it to a woman, you get what I'm saying?
You need to have tough skin if you wanna be part
you
of
get what I'm saying?
the
It's something that was
itself.
gonna follow me because that's us. You know, so yeah, it was a relief more than anything.
Yeah.
It was a relief. Thank you.
And then main stage. I mean, that has to be a bucket list, bro.
Yeah, main stage.
Biggest hip hop show in Africa. You were in main stage. Crazy.
And just had to be myself. You know, I've killed stages before.
Yeah.
Many times. So for me, it was not even about the size of the event. It was just the size of the stage. Like it's just like any other stage, just only bigger. So just do try to get.
Yeah. I hear you. All right, a few more. A few more. Is it Mercedes or just Sam?
I'll go with just Sam.
Crazy. You've worked with Mercedes a couple of times.
Yeah, I have. I have a whole lot of times.
Yeah.
And he's my nigga. Okay, thing I justify. As usually when you're about to say something, so he's my nigga, but I feel okay. You know, he knows.
Yeah, he knows.
But in a history empire, not just Sam. Lento sayqala almost the same year. Saqala ukuhlangana eGaza in Sharpeville 2010. Yeah. Hence on the other side, the first line is 2010 Gaza. Because that's where this whole thing, Yoguting Bambi is in mic on stage. That's where it all started. That's where I met that homie and did a whole lot of things. Alice Askat. More history there. And also, as much as I'm a fan of having fun, I'm more of a fan of pain.
Yeah.
You know, like pain, lyricism and bars, cipher shit.
Yeah.
That's who I am before anything else. And Just Sam gives me that. He's always given me that. Always felt like he's one of the few guys. These are in this thing. I'm wrestling. One of the few guys that's I'm wrestling when it comes to this pen thing.
Crazy. Yeah. And
I have a lot of people.
Sisakhuluma ngamajita seval. What's your take on the new movement now, let's say Carnival, because we cannot even act as if we don't see the new movement. And I love Lintwana, what they're doing, Abu Sway, Abu Sam, Abu Fred. Like there's even the list that they took out.
Yeah, that whole list.
Yeah. What's your take on the new movement as well, and you not being the list?
Ngabi listing, I understand. Phela ma umuntu, you have to be honest with yourself. And the honest truth is that last year we didn't do enough. You know what I'm saying? We didn't do enough.
Yeah.
Isikhathi esiningi, I'm not saying all the time, but isikhathi esiningi, when you don't hear yourself in a conversation, it's usually your fault.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So it was that, and yakhuthaza le nto ukuthi sebenze anymore, because whether we like it or not, we want to be in these conversations. It means you're doing something.
Wow.
What I'm
crazy.
saying, it's something you're doing, and immediately there are other people listening, and they,
crazy. I'm thinking you were gonna say Zianya Zaitwana.
Not even.
You see things and then you.
I was cheering the whole time last year. It's like
crazy.
We had a crazy year.
Yeah, we had a crazy year, bro.
Exactly. And when Maupuma, Soweto, Josie, and niggas come up to you and they like, hey dog, it's not about you. The hood is winning.
The hood is winning. And I love Guti. You and Uzizwa zonke listened while outside the Val, still flying the flag very high.
Exactly.
That's where you at now. Most of the time when you perform, you're out in Cape Town. We were doing
Eastern Cape
the other day.
Yeah, sure.
Like we busy, very like outside. Yeah. No, that's crazy, bro. Now, man, I think I'm gonna have last two, and then he summarized this whole thing. But I wanna ask three, bro. Like I have so many things that I wanted to ask you today, but I see it's cut now. So saying, but again, curious, how many minutes am I on? Single hour. Crazy. And I was gunning for 45 minutes, but again, yeah. Let me finish it up. Top 5 dead or alive. You see this top 5 you can do whatever you want to do with it. It's top 5 dead or alive. You want to mix with international, you want to go local.
I can do both.
Problem,
I can do both.
Yeah.
Mzansi nje wonke. In terms of hip hop Stogie is on top.
Yeah.
I feel he has the sickest pen in the game. Because I'm pen before anything else. You know what I'm saying? And my number 2 is gonna go to KO.
Yeah, dead or alive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
KO because hey man, he's the best of both worlds. If he decides to be in his bag, he'll give you that.
Yeah.
If he decides to be in his bag, Yogba chilled. While sneaking in Ipeni Pagat, same time, he can give you that. And the only reason I am putting him up just above Pro Kid is because he had a chance to do this a bit longer. Yeah, he had a chance to do it a bit longer, and we got to see his ups and downs and. So yeah, number 2, number 3.
All right.
Yeah.
Pro has to be on that top 5.
Yeah. No.
He has to.
Yeah. And then it'll be Nasty and Aries.
Crazy. What? Okay. No, at least I confess I happen to listen ngoba yakho ke le list. Ngizoyithatha not a bad list. And the way we beka ngakhona futhi ngiyayizwa ngikuzwa kahle. Not a bad list at all.
Sure.
International?
Bro, my hot money ngilithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke when it comes to this pen game thing. Crooked Eye.
What? Number 1?
That nigga.
Shit.
That nigga dog wangenza ngithande ama as a witty dog, like it's fucking amazing. Yeah, and then my number 2 goes to Lupe.
What?
And then 3 and 4 Kendrick J. Cole.
What?
Yeah, and then my number 5 is Hov.
I wouldn't have thought boy. I am so surprised. What?
Yeah, that's my shit. That's my shit.
I guess they kind of somehow inspired Buzz Donke now.
Yes.
In Gupen and everything.
All do. They influence indlela engicabanga ngayo, engibhala ngayo, because we all have stories to tell. Get what I'm saying? And I feel even if story sethu singafana sibaningi, how you deliver it catches. You have to make sure you catch umuntu.
Yeah.
I mean, just like
as an artist, perfect. What you do is so amazing,
Hey dog.
Yeah. No, take we can go on forever, mina nawe. Thank you so much for coming through, my king. This was amazing. First episode ever. First episode, shot Eval, Navy Green. We signing out basically. Last words to our followers. Hit Blunt, follow us, hit the subscriber thingy. Leilana, follow us, guys. Yeah.
Subscribe to the movement.
Please hit Blunt.
Hit Blunt. Hit Blunt. Yeah, man, follow Hit Blunt. Also visit.
Nothing for you.
I probably Hit Blunt.
I'm for uniform.
Sure, but follow whatever cheetah. Follow the movement. You know, hip hop is where it's at, man. Hip hop is really where it's at. Shout out to Val Hip Hop for all the wins. 2026, it promises. We're gonna do it even way better.
Yeah.
Temp. Yeah. 2026.
Anything we can look out for from your side? Are you dropping anything? What are you working on?
Oh yeah, the last 2 installments is the Inqantatu series. Are supposed to be 3 seasons. Season 1 iphume last year around March. 3 songs on it, doing very good. And then hopefully before March or April, so besi drop a season 2. 3 songs nakhona. Later, season 3, sivala maybe album. Father Time album, it is coming of it.
It's about time, right? It's about time.
Yeah, man.
Now, man, I'm going to take a last shot as we close out. Thank you so much for the whole podcast, guys. I'm so grateful. Shout out to Curious in Jayami. You're going to be seeing a lot of us. Shout out to O Production. Shout out to Navy Green. Shout out to the Val. Shout out to... Did I forget something? We say on shout outs, guys. Shout out to Navy. Yo, Navy! Pachadi guy. To me, the guy. Right? Short. And that's it, man. We wrap it out. Signing out. OB1, none other. We out.
Yeah. A question. What tickles your fancy? I find the blunt does me wonders. Should I feel anti? I digress. I'm kufe full tin slay. Mas kulume. Fuck the camaraderie. See him be into